In this video I want to demonstrate how to finish the movable jaws shown here to create this boss and add the fillets. So first I'm going to Control Tab back to my other document, and next I want to make sure I'm editing this part, so I'm going to select it in the feature tree, tell it to edit the part. I'm going to find the plane that goes through the middle, and that's the front plane, so I'm going to select it and tell it I want to make a boss extrude, and that'll look normal too. So once again I'm just going to sketch the 2-point rectangle. I'll use mouse gestures to activate Smart Dimension, and I'll make it 3/8 by 3/8. I'll push Escape. I'm just going to move this over a little bit so I can select this edge, hold Control, select this edge, release Control and make them collinear. And then I'm also going to select the top of this and the top of this, and I'll make these collinear. Another option I might want to consider is to delete this 3/8. So I'm going to delete it and then select the bottom of this jaw and this jaw, and once again make them collinear. And by doing that, if I decide later I want to change the size of this jaw, this will update with it. So I'm going to look at this isometrically. I'll right click and exit the sketch. And for the extrusion end condition, again, I would like it if this jaw changes, so does this one. So I'm going to choose up to surface and select this face. Then I'll enable direction 2, and for its end condition, once again I'll choose up to surface. I'll rotate around and I'll select this face here, and I'll right click to accept that. So now I've completed the jaw, and I want to add some fillets to it. And before I add the fillets, I just want to demonstrate here how I can tell what's been created in the context of the assembly, because it has this little arrow here. So this feature wasn't, and this feature I just created was. So next we want to add fillets. So I'm going to go Features, Fillet. I'm going to set the size to a 32nd, and I'll start here. I'll select this edge, and then I'll use this to get all the connecting faces. And you might want to do your fillets in more than one feature. So I'm going to again come up here, select this edge, get those connecting edges. I'm going to say OK, and I'll start another fillet feature. So again, I'll activate fillet. I want to select this loop. I'll add the fillet here and here. I'll select this edge, and it should propagate around, and I'll rotate around. And I'll select the face, so I get the fill on each end, and I'll right click to accept that. So I'm just going to take a good look at it. Everything looks fine. Go to the isometric view. I'll stop editing my part. I'll rebuild and save my work, and in the next video we'll continue from there.